Good morning, everybody. What's going on today? Well, I have a bunch of stuff that came in for the Jetta over the last few days. There's a big old box out there, you guys can see, and then there's a bunch of stuff over my office. I need to put everything into the garage, but the garage is pretty messed up right now. So this is what we're gonna do, more stuff. See, all of the stuff's for the Jetta, which is amazing because we've been waiting for a few weeks for everything to kind of get here, figure out what we need, the list of everything, get it ordered, shipped, all of that. What we have to do right now is I have to go clean the garage. There's not enough. We weren't very good over the last few weeks when we were working on Loretta putting things away. So we have to put things away first. That's going to be super quick, like 20 seconds. And then I'm going to show you guys what we have so far and kind of next steps as we progress on the Jetta. So let's get cleaning. I told you, but look at this. So I have to take all the bikes out, but I just have to get this kind of cleaned up. There's a lot going on over here. That's step one. And then we're gonna open the boxes, and then I'm gonna start working on that. Ooh, finger in focus, not really. I guess step one, let's get all the boxes out of my house over here, and then I'm gonna take the motorcycles out. So check out the Himalayan. Ooh. This is a 2021 press bike. Royal Enfield was kind enough to drop this off last weekend, and it's been absolutely amazing. I made a few videos of it already, but if you like motorcycles, make sure you hit that, and we'll go watch that. Alright, so we're about an hour down into cleaning and too hungry. So about 20 minutes ago, I ordered Jimmy John's and it just came. So now we're going to take a break and eat Jimmy John's. Because I know you guys care what I'm eating. I go for the Italian nightclub. I like the spicy Italian salami. I don't like tomatoes though, so that's always off. Now you know. Let's eat. Okay, so the garage is clean, cleaner than it was. Look at it. So clean, I can actually walk around and whatnot. This is everything that we have to go through today. Should be fairly fun. Some of it's for Royal stuff, some of it's for the Jetta, so we have to like pick through that first. But let's open it up. This is the refinished head. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get out of the box, but like I feel like we might as well, right? So let's do that. All right, I think dropping it on my spinny stool thing might be the easiest to do this. Ugh. Okay, that's on that. Crankshaft, some gears, she's a bit heavy. Kind of hard to do this, and I don't want to get anything in it. This foam is everywhere. Go. Let's see. Ugh. Don't get caught on the staples. Don't do it. All right. Gonna push your ash over there. Look at this, so clean. This is, okay, so comparison. This is, let's see, we're gonna get in focus. New one, completely done. There are some like indents in here, but they're below the top of the surface, so they don't matter. But look at the new valves. Now look at the old one. Shit's garbage. Garbage. It looks so clean. Nice. Alright, so first new thing that we got for the build, we have metal prep for the engine. Degreaser, metal prep. And then I'm going to make sure it doesn't say what color this is. Engine enamel, because I'm going to be painting this girl right there. She needs to get painted. Don't you agree? A few weeks ago, I actually asked you guys what color I should paint it, and I didn't really go with anyone's suggestions. So, pretty stoked on that. Hide this over here. Item number 2, ARP bolt and stud kit for the engine to put it back together. Because we're going to be running so much boost, we need some strong ass bolts to do it with. And the good thing about these is that you can use them multiple times versus like the shitty ones that are like only $40 cheaper. This is the way to go. So if we have to disassemble it and put it in something else, we got it. Also, like these little metal bolts, super expensive. It's like $245. Absolutely insane. But we got them. As you guys may have remembered, the old coolant reservoir is pretty fucked. It just looks terrible, super rusty. So, decided if we're going to do a new build, we might as well get a new reservoir for coolant for maximum efficiency and whatnots. Also, it just looks better, and it's going to look so much better in the engine bay after we spend so much time cleaning it up. Also, looks like a giant Pokeball. Because I am a nerd, I'm going to just bring that up. New head gaskets for the new build. So these are a 10 millimeter or 100 millimeter space, just making it so we can have more pressure inside the block or inside the head. You know, I'm learning as I go, so if I say something wrong, please be nice. Yeah. I kind of understand what these do, and I kind of understand why we needed to get new ones to expand. What is it? So it's like block, head. We needed more space in between them to allow more pressure or less pressure in between the two for the pistons. I don't know. I don't know. I wish Led or Lauren were here. Someone could tell me. But I needed them, so here they are. Next on the list, a new oil reservoir for the engine with an outlet, because we need to make sure that the turbo is well lubricated keep it dry, or keep it, not dry, to keep it moving and well lubricated. That's what I meant to say. I'm an idiot. So yeah, more oil. This is bigger than the stock one, I know that. And it has this. I think this is what the turbo screws into, so it can bring oil up from one side and into that. If I'm wrong, let me know. So yeah. And that's from Black Forest Industries. If you guys need to know what it is, I will, maybe I should add like a link to everything down below. A bracket with some bolts. I think it's for the oil pan, but I'm not 100% sure. So that's kind of everything I have right now for the Jetta. Next steps are, I need to clean this. I need to clean the block. That's something that I should have done a while ago. I've just been pretty tired and working a lot and whatnot. So I just need to take off these like little pieces, and then I've got some wire brushes, and I'm just gonna go to town getting this as clean as possible. A lot of this is just surface rust, so it's not that bad. And then from there, I'll move this a bit. Alright, I can't do that. We have to clean out the engine bay. There's not like a lot of bit of work, just a little bit of cleaning work that needs to happen in that. And once that, then we can start assembling everything. We're missing a harness yet, or still, I think we have to order that from Eurowise. We're just waiting on something, and I think there's like 1 or 2 other pieces, but besides that, we're almost at the point where we have a running car again, which feels amazing, because having a running car, having just like a project car that ran, and being able to use it for the last few weekends, or the first few weekends that I had, it was so much fun, and then to take that away, it's so frustrating. It's so sad. Like, everyone gets to go to all these car shows, and Woodward happened, and like I have nothing. It was very sad. I have, motorcycles and stuff. It's the same thing. But I wanted a car. This is my first project car, and I'm smitten with the entire process and the idea of it, and bringing it places and getting people's reactions. Like, so much fun. But I think that's it for right now, guys. That is this video. I appreciate you for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to continue following on with Loretta's journey as she gets back into her fighting shape. That's it for now, guys. Gotta go out there and ride safe. Ride safe, drive safe. You know what I mean. Okay, bye.